In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your name on a TradingView chart. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this two different ways. The first one is going to be renaming your current canvas, and the second one is going to be a custom watermark here on your chart, okay? So the first thing you can do is go to the top right here where it says unnamed, click on the Manage Layouts button and click on Rename. Now here, just name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Instant How To, which is the name of the channel you are currently watching, and then click on Rename. There we go. That's the first thing you can do. And then of course for the custom watermark, to put your name on here, which is a bit more exciting, you want to go to indicators up top and you want to type in watermark. So just type in watermark like this. There we go. There's going to be a bunch of different ones. You can use whichever one you want. I'm just going to go with this one by TradingView. So I'm going to click on it. And by default, it's going to be down here at the bottom left, just something random. I don't want that. So I'm going to hover over the indicator. I'm going to click on the settings button. And here you want to go to inputs. Now where it says text input, you want to of course delete this and put in your custom text. So for example, I'm going to type in instant how to as text 1, and I could do text 2 as well. So for example, if I do YouTube over here like this, that's going to be fine, okay? You don't have to, you can just have one line, but this over here, as you can see, you can clear text 2 to prevent animation, but of course you can have it if you want to. Now I'm just going to go to down here and I'm going to change the size to huge. You could do also auto if you want to, but I'm going to do huge. And then I'm going to change it to be in the middle and then in the middle center, which is of course over here. Now, as you can see, this is changing, but the block box is just not big enough. So what I'm going to do here is change the height to 100 and the width to 100 as well, okay? Of course, you can make it smaller if you wanna, but for me now, I will have to change the background as well. So I'm gonna change the opacity to be 0, and there we go. We now have a kind of the animation over here, which is this text input. It's gonna say instant how to, and then YouTube as well. So it's going to basically alternate, okay? Now, if you only want one without the animation, you can clear this like that, and there we go. It's only gonna be your first line of text. Here, of course, you can change the text color if you want to, like this. You could go and change the backgrounds, change the styles over here, visibility, etc. But I'm just going to leave it like it is. This is perfect. I can now click on OK, and wherever I go on my chart, you can see my name is always on my screen, and it's never going to go away from my chart, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.